Oh, come, ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Happy holidays and welcome back. So just as promised as last week, I told you guys that I will be uploading every single Monday leading towards Christmas. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a red and green inspired look that reminds me of Christmas. So in this video, I'm not going to be doing too much talking. We're just going to do the makeup look. I hope you enjoy watching. Like I said, if you have any requests, please let me know and I'll definitely try my best to do them. So I hope you enjoy watching. Alright, you guys, so here is the finished makeup look. Let me know what you guys think about this green and red Christmas inspired look. I really am enjoying this look. I think it came out so amazing. I'm actually really impressed with myself for how it turned out. I had a vision of what I wanted and it came out exactly how I visioned it. So I'm very happy with the results. The look came out beautifully. I might even have to do this look for Christmas, literally. And yeah, I'm just in love with the eyes and, you know, the added glitter to it. You know, it just really makes the eyes pop. And then of course that lippy had to be a red rouge color because you already know Christmas is about that red. So I had to include the red lips. Let me know what you guys thought about this Christmas inspired makeup look. Drop down below in the comments section what your favorite part about this look is. I would love to know. Anyways, make sure you leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you're new here to my channel, and make sure to hit the notifications bell right beside it so you'll be notified every single time that I upload here on YouTube. And make sure to leave a nice comment in the comment section because I want to hear your thoughts and your honest opinions down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, night, whatever time it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you so much again for watching another Kayla's Curls. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Oh, come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come, let us adore Him, Christ the Lord. Thanks for watching.